Anyone can buy any coin and make money, but not everyone is going to keep that money they make from buying that coin. So today, I want us to discuss why Bitcoin, why you should take Bitcoin serious. Bitcoin is alpha. Bitcoin moves the market. And if you don't take Bitcoin serious, most of the profit you're going to make in the market is going to go back to the market. These widows who create these projects, these meme coins, these old coins that you are buying, they are cashing out profit into Bitcoin. Why? You are leaving your profit in that coin because they have an amazing YouTuber who says they're gonna hold that coin to $10 billion. They're gonna hold that coin to replicate Pepe, to replicate Bong, blah blah blah. No one knows the next Pepe. No one knows. All of this is gonna happen based on what the community is gonna do as that project keep going on. So for you to know the next paper, it's gonna be based on what that coin is doing and how strong the community is, and that will determine whether you're gonna keep all of your investment in it or cash out some profit into Bitcoin while you allow your initial investment there to keep riding up to the riding to the upside. Someone asked a question today on Twitter that how should we be consistent or how can one be consistent making money in cryptocurrency? And I gave that person two answers. One, follow the money. Two, don't be greedy. When you follow the money and you are greedy, or you don't follow the money but you're not greedy, which means you're still losing money, you won't be able to be successful in this game. So when you follow the money, then you're going to be able to make some money in this game. So today I want us to discuss all this good stuff. If you're new here, you are watching the Betong's Crypto here. I create content to help anyone out there who want to make money investing in this game. I'm here to help people who have little or no investment capital to start with, to like build a scenario or build an environment where they can start with something, at least let's say $100 or $50. I mean, start trading, compounding, placing their profit in Bitcoin, buying back these old coins when price drop. I have a whole strategy that I teach in my community on how to go about this. This channel is purposely for that. I come here, share with you guys stuff that will help you compound this profit long term because crypto is here to stay, Bitcoin is here to stay, but not all coins are here to stay. That's why I have to focus on this video, and you must be serious, yeah. So let's dive into this right away.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
Before we go into our conversation for today, I want us to first of all look at Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is, and before that, even let's go to our favorite, platform, which is Crypto Bubbles. Let's see what the bubbles are saying. What are they bubbling to us today? You need to always come here every day. Look at the bubbles. Look at what the bubbles are saying to us. The bubbles are in green. Solana is up to the 15%. Solana has outperformed Bitcoin. Remember, always have your currency into Bitcoin or to Bitcoin, not to Bitcoin. Your currency to Bitcoin rather than you having USD, Euro, all of this fiat currency. Have it in Bitcoin or Ethereum when you come to this platform. And when you have that in those currency, then you're gonna see all the coins that are doing well than Bitcoin. You can see Boomer has outperformed Bitcoin today, 21%. So if say you play the kind of like if say you apply my strategy, then you should be making huge profit against Bitcoin. Then keep that money in Bitcoin. This is exactly what I want us to discuss today. And I'm gonna be coming back to crypto bubble and give you guys some heads up on how you can go about it. But you can see here, it's pretty clear that the market is in green. Looking at the weekly time frame, if we go to the daily time frame, let's see what we got there. Which coin are doing well for the day? Okay, Boomer is doing well, 14% for the day. Bong is doing well. Jupe is doing well. Solana is doing well. Cass is doing well. Yeah, all day is doing well. You can see all the greens are doing well against Bitcoin. The greens. All right, now let's get to this bad boy, the chart. What are investors doing? This is the 2 hours time frame of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is sitting right now at the 50-day moving average. If Bitcoin break this 50-day moving average, which I think is gonna break it, the target is gonna be where around this moving average here, this the Betong moving average and the 200-day moving average. So you can plug in the 200-day moving average on your chart. It's free of charge. It won't cost you anything. If you say you want to get this chart, go to my link tree, and go scroll right down. I'm going to see trading view. We're going to start with trading view. It's very important if you say you want to trade meme coin, altcoin, any coin out there. It's very important you have this, so it's going to help you to always see different levels, for you to make better decisions as you embark in this journey. So now, looking at this, it's pretty clear that we can see Bitcoin goes to about $64,000. Now, let's look at Coin Ank. Coin Ank. Let's see. If say, well, I want to look on the liquidation heat map. So let's see what will happen, guys. The reason why I'm looking at this is because I want us to deduce what might happen in the altcoin market. If you are able to deduce what might happen in the altcoin market, then you'll be able to see what might happen with Bitcoin, as well. Right. So if you see what might happen with Bitcoin, you might also determine what might happen with the altcoin market. So Bitcoin is going to help you a lot determine what will happen in the altcoin market. I think that's what I wanted to say. It's like I'm mixing stuff. Okay, let's dive back into this so we get this rolling. So Bitcoin is gonna give you the heads up to see what is happening in the altcoin market. Okay, that's the right statement, guys. Sorry, I'm mixing stuff so much. So this is Coin Ank. Let's go to the chart. Let's see what we got here. Quickly, let's see. Um, the liquidation heat map. This is it. This is what I want us to see. Now, we are looking at this Bitcoin USDT on the 3-day time frame, and you can see we have more liquidity. This orange or yellowish area, yeah, is around 63 or almost $64,000. So we can see price get there. And if we look at this on the daily time frame, let's see for the next 24 hours what might happen with the price of Bitcoin. Oh, wow. They might push price back downward. Okay. At 60,400. For the next 24 hours, they might push price down here. I'm going to look at the chart to see how possible this is. So be careful. They can push price back here. We are at almost at $62,000. We are now at that price point, so they might push price down to 60,000 because there's a lot of liquidity here. We don't have much, above, so we have it right up to about 64. So they can take it up there, then bring it back down here, around this 60,500, yeah, or let's just say 60,000 price point. Let's look at this on the 12 hours time frame. This is it. Let's see. They can take it to about, they can take it to about 63,000 before they bring it down. So you can see there's more liquidity down here around this area, 60,000 and 6,400 and 60,000 price point. So it's important you look at the bigger picture, what they might do. The market makers, they take price where there's liquidity in the market. So don't be like hype, or don't be carried away when you see your altcoin pumping today. Tomorrow even is Friday, and we know what happened on Friday. There's always this weekend trap, sell off, take people cash out profit. So you have to be careful. If your altcoin is pumping right now, take out some profit. And if you see Bitcoin around this 63,000 or 64,000 zone, and Bitcoin is not able to break above those areas, then you have to be concerned. If say Bitcoin price can keep going to the upside, you need to be able to look at that. So if you look at the this price, this chart, you can see here where the Betong moving average is, and also where this white moving average is. The 200 moving average is around the $64,000. Also this area where the alpha trend was consolidating, moving sideways, is also closer to that zone. So they might push price straight away up there, then bring it back there. Yeah, I mean that's what I am seeing, and this area is the area where I'm looking at, like they can send price back there to retest this zone before, if say we might if say price have to go up more, then I think will yeah, that's short term price action for Bitcoin. I don't want to make this complicated. If we go to the higher time frame, like let's look at this on the daily time frame. It's good to see this bounce, and as I mentioned in my previous video, provided we are above this, or we are holding this zone, this area here, this support area, this one and this one, the price has hit this multiple times. I think already 3 times. This one here, this zone, this one also, and you see price is there again. So we want to see price retrace back, and if you see price is gonna go back to where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, then it's gonna be around $68,000. And if say price is gonna go to hit at least the bottom moving average, or the 13-day moving average, then it's gonna be around $63,000. So I mean, guys, it's playing this like the same way, or it's exactly what I showed you guys on this liquidation heat map. We can see this on the chart based on where these moving averages are. They act as guide. They can guide you to see where price might go, and when you see where price might go, it can help you to prepare with your altcoin. So if your altcoin is pumping, you don't want to miss out on all those profits. You have to cash out those profits into Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin is gonna dump, like let's say we're gonna see dump here to 50. This is the area that I've already marked. Bitcoin can come right down to $52,000. If that's the case, there's a lot of liquidity here. If that's the case, then guys, those altcoins are gonna really plunge downward, and you'll be sitting in good amount in Bitcoin. Then you can buy back those altcoins, and you're gonna pump again to the upside. Now, let me really stress this out to you guys, because I think most of you might not understand what is going on here. It's important you see Bitcoin as your savior. Bitcoin as a savior, in a sense that um Bitcoin is that only coin that is gonna help you keep most of your profit, because it's the only coin that have most of the liquidity in the market. Bitcoin has most of the liquidity because there are huge investors who are holding Bitcoin. They're not selling Bitcoin. So the amount of Bitcoin which is being traded publicly is not that significant to the amount which is being held in most of those wallets. So these guys are holding Bitcoin. They don't want to give out their Bitcoin. They want to keep their Bitcoin. And they want to have it because they see it as a way they can hedge against inflation long term. Because if say Bitcoin is being looked upon as an asset, as a property, or as a store of value, or as money, it means many people or countries are gonna start adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. We have seen this with El Salvador; they are already doing well. We have seen other countries which have actually show green light to cryptocurrency. Their economy is doing well, like Dubai, Asia, Singapore. There are countries that are really doing well. That crypto people are going there to do stuff. They are going there to invest, and so when you see Bitcoin dump about 15% or 20%, you know that your altcoin are gonna dump even more. That's a fact. So I don't know why you wanna have most of your asset in a coin that is gonna be dumping most of the time hard. You wanna have your coin in an asset that is dumping less. So, and I think one of the reasons why most of you face this challenge is because you marry a coin. You are in love with the coin to an extent that you are like, it's like you created that coin. You are there holding it forever. And you have most of your money in that coin. No, the fact that you're buying the coin doesn't mean you have to put all of your money in that coin. You know, at least if say you don't have so much money, you don't have to put all of your money in one coin. At least put something like, let's say, 20% or 30%, if you love that coin so much. Put 30% there, and if say it goes to zero, you still have 70% of your asset in other coins or in Bitcoin. You can still look for other opportunities to buy Again, that's how the market moves, or that's how the things works. So don't sit there and and keep your asset only in, let's say, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. No, of course, these are good coins. I'm not saying these coins are bad. What I'm saying is, doing drawdown, you have to make sure you keep most of the profit you make, right? And to make sure you keep most of the profit you make, you need to have a currency that doesn't fluctuate, you know, that much, or it's not that volatile. And Bitcoin is not that volatile as compared to other altcoins that has not got much liquidity, in the different pools, right? And Bitcoin, the trading volume is so huge. If you will go to coin market cap, I can show you guys. Actually, Bitcoin is like Bitcoin is a monster. Let's go to this. Let me show you guys coin market cap, so we can see exactly what I'm trying to say here. Bitcoin have most of the, like, is holding most of the money in the crypto space. You can see the cap is 1.2 billion, right? 1.2 billion. I can even show you guys this easily. Yeah. Let me see. Bitcoin. Let's see. Yeah. Bitcoin dominance. I think if I can see this here, let me. Okay. This is actually total cap. That's market cap is at the Bitcoin crypto total market cap is around one point. I think I'm not. Am I seeing this well? Let me go back to coin market cap so I can see properly. Okay, yeah, the total cap is 2.3 trillion, and Bitcoin is holding 1.2 trillion. That's more than half of the supply, or of the market cap. Yeah, the market cap in the crypto space. So you have to be able to look at this and say, wow, if this coin has most of the liquidity in the market, it means that in a volatile market, this coin is going to be the safe haven for you. And you can see also Ethereum. Have almost 500 million or billion. I think Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you add Theta and BNB, they are crypto, right? To an extent, Solana. All of the, like, let's just say from USDC or from the top coins. No, they are the ones that hold the liquidity. They move the market. The top 10 coins, they are the ones that have the liquidity in the market. The rest, if you're not in the top 10, let's say the top 100, then you're gonna be that so volatile, that much volatile, or volatile. Let me put it that way. So I say, let me do this video. I want this video to be so short, to be so long. I want this to be a short video. Let's say 20-minute video, to help you guys understand that if, say, you are investing in Bitcoin, you need to understand that, if you are investing in crypto, you need to understand that Bitcoin is the alpha, and Bitcoin is gonna help you to make and keep most of the profit you're gonna be making from your altcoins, meme coins, and so on and so forth. If, say, we look at, let me go to quickly to, let's say, if I go to, let's go to Dex Screener, you know, Dex Screener, we're gonna see so many meme coins there. I have some meme coins that I'm trading here on Dex Screener. I also have a group. I have shared this group with you guys already. Let me see. If, say, I have my link tree here, so I can show you guys which group you can go through. Let me bring my link tree here before I go to the meme coin. Let me bring my link tree so you guys can see this. So that's my meme tree. Before I go to my meme tree, let me go back to this. So I have this coin that you can see. These coins they are in my watch list. I have Degen, Gary, Miro, Breath, Koine, Toshi, Muchi, Andy, Mock. These coins, they move like crazy. Like, Mock has done a lot of good to me. It has made me a lot of profit. Already I bought Mock when price pulled back here. I was watching the coin here, and I drew my zone where I want to buy the coin, and price get there, I bought it, and now I'm enjoying the ride up. So TA is very important, if, say, you want to trade meme coin, and you can see just this move up like this. it's gonna be good for me. And I've already cashed out profit here. I cash out profit into Bitcoin. Now the rest which is left, I'm gonna see how I can cash out profit again. Now what I'm looking at is break of structure. If I see a break of structure here, then I'm cashing out profit. I'm gonna wait back for price to come back here, then I buy again at this point price point. So I'm not gonna be losing any money. I'm gonna make sure I have my alert on these coins. My eyes are on it. Like, yeah, I have so much stuff that I do here to be able to cash these coins. So if say you want to be part of my community, make sure you go to my link tree. It's found below this video. You can trade with me derivative on Bitronix. Join my buy and sell signal buy and sell alert signal blah 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 on group on the Telegram. Yeah, basically what I do is I share with my VIP community what I'm buying when I'm taking out profit. Like, I've shared so many coins with them already before this pump, and I've told them what to do right now that we are seeing what Bitcoin is doing, and I want to always see them in profit. And if say you want someone to help you with portfolio management, help you balance your portfolio, mentor you on how you can, like it's just exactly what I'm saying here. Buying meme coins, also buying altcoins, cashing out profit into Bitcoin, knowing what meme coin to buy, and so on and so forth, or what altcoins to buy that can really outperform Bitcoin. Then you can cash out the profit into Bitcoin. Then we keep looking for new opportunities. I keep doing this every week, every month. So being part of this community is going to help you as well. Join my like those of you who are completely beginners, you want to learn trading, you want to learn about technical analysis, you want to learn about fundamental analysis, everything crypto, then join my crypto education for beginners, and join this channel to get access to my VIP again. That's on YouTube. You can also join my free Telegram group. And if say you are using cryptocurrency, or you are into cryptocurrency, not say using cryptocurrency, if say you are into cryptocurrency, then you need a VPN. I use IP Vanish. Get IP Vanish, and you're gonna get exclusive offer from these guys. It's always good to have protection when you are browsing the internet. If not, someone can steal your cryptocurrency. So yeah, just go through. And those of you who want to book, you want to talk to me, I have free 15 minutes call. Yeah, we can talk about your challenges, what you're going through, and I'm going to see what I can do to help you out. So there are a lot of free tools here that you can take advantage of to get started with, and from there we can take you to the next level. All right, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully this content was helpful to you, and of course, if say it wasn't helpful to you, you wouldn't have joined me or subscribed to my platform. I think it's helpful to you. So go right now and smash the subscribe button. It's free. It won't cost you a dime. But when you do, it's gonna help the YouTube algorithm or the Twitter algorithm, or the Instagram, wherever you are watching me, the algorithm, help me to reach out to more people. I need to reach out to more people. I need to talk to people about crypto, about Bitcoin, let them understand the opportunity in this game. And anyone can make money from this game. Anyone. You just need the right mentor, the right coach, and go to my link tree. I'm gonna help you out, get to where you wanna be. It won't be easy, it will be up and down, but we're gonna get there because crypto is here to stay. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Oh boy.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe